Alright, ready now. Okay. Scoot forward a little bit. You're kidding me, Kevin, really?
Wait, I gotta set the nice settings.
You only get one shot to make a good first impression. Not easy when half of all.
Okay, okay.
HD.
HD. Okay. Okay.
I thought you were running a golf cart, dude. This is new sister. Oh my god, really? Showing things from old ladies. Why is this beat so annoying?
So good.
It's so boring. It's like so lame. Oh my god. The song is this close to being just as annoying as Baby or Justin Bieber. This close.
Oh, the only difference is that these girls are.
I don't want to say anything because what I'm gonna say is probably gonna make you really pissed.
No, it's not. It's your opinion.
Golf carts get hurt. You think these girls are hot? They look like they're like 40s to 60s.
No.
Not grandmas yet. It's just like almost there.
One of them smell like they're all pretty close to
Let's see. Look. See, they have a bunch of that. Oh, which one has cancer? Can't wait to see what.
Yeah, all of them have sick as shit. That's so sick. Dude, come on, look at that video. No! No! It's like activated like hormones.
What? How is that even activate hormones? Oh, understand. The background is so plain. It's just literally just pink. Thank God.
Comments.
Thank God it's over. Thank God it's over.
Any critique or anything that need to be worked on?
Maybe if they use about another pound of makeup, they'll look prettier.
Very inspiring words from
I'm done.
The Japanese.
I'm just done.